Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A16 5G and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in on the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Just tap on it, and if you can see the red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now all we have to do is to tap on this option, which is the second option from the right. Let's tap on it, and here we've got the size. As you can see in this device, we can either choose FHD or HD, so we do not have a lot of options to choose from. So let's tap on HD. As you can see, this icon will be immediately displayed, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.